In this video, you'll learn how to fix the swap failed error on Phantom Wallet. By following these steps, you will be able to successfully execute your swaps without running into issues related to slippage or transaction size. First, ensure you have enough SOL in your wallet. SOL is necessary to pay network fees, and without it, your swaps cannot be processed. Check your wallet balance by opening the Phantom Wallet and verifying the amount of SOL displayed on the main screen. Next, you may need to adjust the slippage settings. To do this, locate and click on the swap button. Once you are on the swap interface, find the option labeled slippage. Click on this and then select custom to set a specific slippage percentage. For typical tokens, setting the slippage to 1 to 2% is usually sufficient, while a 3 to 5% range is advisable if the price is fluctuating rapidly. If you continue to encounter swap failures, consider trying a smaller amount for your swap. Large swaps can sometimes fail due to various network conditions or liquidity issues. Reducing the amount may increase your chances of a successful transaction. After making any necessary adjustments, refresh the swap interface. To do this, close the current swap window and then reopen it. This action helps clear any temporary glitches that might be causing the failure. Once the interface is refreshed, re-enter your swap details and attempt the transaction again. If you still experience issues, ensure that your internet connection is stable, as a slow connection may hinder the transaction process. Additionally, keep an eye on network congestion, which can affect the speed and success of your swaps. Being aware of these factors can help you troubleshoot more effectively. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.